Hey, what's up guys, Loveday here. This is a new channel, MotoLoveday, I guess, that's what I'm going to call it, maybe. Unless the name's changed, but you'll find out in a second by looking at what the channel's called. But yeah, I thought I'd just make a little, kind of like a little motovlog, motorcycle man riding channel, where I just chat shit, ride around, have some fun. It's going to be a little video just to say hello, because most of you probably either come from my other channel, check that out by the way, link in the description, or you just kind of found it randomly and you're like, who the fuck is this guy? He's got one video, what the fuck is he doing? Well, I swear a lot. I now ride a motorcycle, and I quit my job. There you go. That's about all you need to know. That's literally it. So yeah, no, I quit my job because it was pissing me off, and I've got now 2 months to find another job, but I've set myself 2 months to find another job because of like money reasons, you know how it is. But in the meantime, I thought I'd, you know, put some effort in and make some videos, do a bit of the sim racing videos, and then do a bit more on the old bike, you know, see what we could do. But what I did do is completely forget that it was like 18 degrees out and I'm wearing my full my full gear. What I mean by that is, obviously I'm always going to wear full gear because I'm not a fucking idiot, but I'm wearing all my fucking thermal layers and I'm sweating like a, oh yeah, it's not comfortable, really isn't. But yeah, other than that, life's good. Quit my job, now I don't have to worry about that. Less stress, apart from the stress of finding another job, but you know, that'll come. And, oh, what was that? Oh, I'll have to watch the video. I'll have to watch the replay back to see what figure out that was. Probably just a rock. So, for those of you wondering, I'm riding the Yamaha MT125. In the UK, you have to start on a 125 if you want to progress into the world of two-wheel road going and such. That sounded far too sophisticated. You have to start on a smaller bike so you can learn, and then you go to a big bike when later do test. So yeah, I'm currently on the Yamaha MT125. I went for this bike purely because it was bigger than the other ones that they had. Yes, it was more expensive, it had the more power, just, you know, bear with me on that one. Oh, hello. Just stop. Okay. Plenty of room, but you just stopped, that's fine. So this had more power, which is nice. The most we're actually allowed in the UK on a 125. What else did it have? Bigger tyres, just a bigger seat size in general. Just felt bigger, which is always nice. And then because of that, I just felt a bit more comfortable on it, instead of like sitting there going, this is the size of a, you know, child's scooter, which a couple of them did feel like that, which is not a pleasant riding experience. Obviously I didn't get to test ride any of them, it was more just sit on it and see how it felt. But yeah, this one definitely felt the best, so I went for it. And yeah, haven't regretted my decision at all. I love this thing. But yeah, love it. Lovely thing. Need some fuel, but at this, you know, current point in time, you know how that's working out. £18,000 for a tank of fuel, even on a fucking 125 with a 10 litre tank. Do the old, put it in neutral, and the lights will change. There we go. God, my legs are sweating like crazy. Alright, so as for filtering, you know, it's illegal in the UK, but I rarely do it because I'm so used to sitting in traffic in a car that I kind of just go along with it on a bike. You know, we'll get there. It just needs to make sense to me as to where and when I do it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just recording shit randomly whenever I feel like it, whenever I go out, which at the moment might be quite a lot of the time because obviously unemployed. Yeah, I'm just going to record a little bit a day, maybe like an hour a day, whatever my battery life can handle, and yeah, see what happens, see if it comes out with anything good, see if there's anything to actually upload. I'm not going to talk about much, just chat shit, as I always do anyway. I'm going to get home and watch the, well, it's 3 o'clock, shit, no, I need to get back. F1's on. The practice. I know it's only free practice, but you know, it's F1. You gotta watch it. Alright, in that case, I'll you know, catch you later. This is just a test thing. Thanks for watching if you are actually watching, and I'll maybe see you in another video if I make one on this channel. I don't actually have a like outro. She'll just like ride safe, or I don't know, like don't put her down, like brake responsibly. I don't know, that's probably a good idea. You should do that anyway. Have a good one, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the other side of the road where I'll give you a nod, like a hello, you're on a bike. I haven't come up with an outro yet. Oh, that's a big bit of glass. It's gonna look nice. Alright, see you in the next video.